This is Brian Gootee with the Arizona Geological Survey. This is a short-grown video of landslides in the Verde Valley area, located in the map on the left. And we're just going to fly over a couple of short pieces of landslide complexes. We can't quite see the whole thing, but outlined in yellow coming up, we'll see parts of the toes of these landslides below the landslide escarpment, which forms the skyline. That's the Verde Formation, and those are limestones and siltstones and claystones. These landslides, we think, form at the base of these hard limestones and slip and slide on the finer grain sediments below them. That forms these toes and tilted blocks, resulting in a hummocky terrain. And as we're looking west towards Verde Valley and Camp Verde, we'll pan off to the northwest, and we'll see a little bit better view of part of this landslide complex in the Verde Valley. Thanks for watching.